guys, CHRISEL here and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great with all the things that happening right now in our world. Let's continue praying that this will be over soon. Alright everyone, today we are going to do another DIY video. So if you are interested to those type of videos, please go to my playlist and check those videos. I was scrolling my phone last week and looking to buy a centerpiece for a dining area because I want to replace those two little plants that I have there and I want to transfer it to another area. And I saw these designs online that I like, but it is kind of pricey. So I decided to make the DIY version of this. So again, this is how it looks in the picture, but of course we are going to change this a little bit and make it like a little bit farmhouse style. So this is going to be the materials that we need. We have the flowers, of course. I have here the case. This is gonna be look like a farmhouse case design. And then I have here this garden stick. And I have this flower foam. We are going to paint this one with this brown charcoal paint. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. This is gonna be so fast. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to paint first this foam and let it dry, and then we can put it here and then start putting the flowers and the decorative stick. So we are going to use almost 3 of this flower foam. So let's start painting. You can find those brown flower foam, just use that one. It's much more easier than painting and waiting for it to dry. And let's wait until it dry. So okay guys, it's a little bit dry now. I'm gonna put it now here, start our decoration. Going to put this one just to add a little bit of accent to it. I hope you guys like it and enjoy this video. Please support and help this channel to grow by hitting that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, and don't forget that bell notification to get notified of my new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking this video. And if you are new to this channel, welcome and thank you for visiting. This channel is a little bit of everything from family vlog, beauty, fashion, DIY, how-to videos, travel, and some cooking videos. I am uploading videos Monday and Friday, so I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you again for spending your time with me in this video and enjoy the rest of your day. God bless everyone!